1, 2, 3, start. This is how to disassemble a system unit. This is IDE, used to connect our HDD and optical drive. And this is our power supply. Unit is an internal hardware components that supply components in a computer with power. Then, this is a hard disk drive. Hard disk drive is a non-volatile memory hardware device that permanently store and retrieve information. Then, this is an optical drive. Retrieve and store data on optical discs like CDs, DVDs, and BDs. Then, this is a network interface card. It is an expansion card that enables the computer to connect to a network. Then, this is a random access memory, temporary information storage used to running program. Then, this is a motherboard. It allocates power to the CPU, RAM, and all other computer hardware components. And this is heatsink and fan. The fan moves cool air across the heatsink, pushing hot air away from the computer. That's all about how to disassemble a system unit. Thank you for watching.